Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Chris Holt, and today we're gonna go to a car show. Now this isn't just any old car show, this is Exotics at Redmond Town Center. Now I've been going to this show for like almost 10 or over 10 years at this point. It's been like 15 years that I've been going to this show, and every year it seems to elevate the bar more and more and more. So just like that guys, let's go ahead, let's go see what comes. It's opening day, so we know it's gonna be big, but let's see what shows up. old R8. I actually didn't think I would like it in person, but it looks really good. Good job, TJ. I love these CTSV wagons. You gotta see this Viper. Got a GT2 RS, a GT2 RS, and another GT2 RS. Bunch of sleeve drive.
That to me is the tipping. You gotta get to where
Mentor revving over there. Oh, that's black. So I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but there are some pretty crazy cars here. So that carbon fiber Ford GT was actually the world's first all carbon fiber Ford GT. And the second gen or first gen Ford GT sitting next to it is actually the same owner's car. He owns both those cars. Now the LaFerrari we're seeing is actually one of the craziest specs out there because it's a hardtop coupe, but it has FXXK wheels on it, and they're in black, and it's something you don't see until you really notice. Now the car next to it, the 488 Pista, is in one of the best specs I've ever seen. It's white with the blue stripe with the red. Oh, it is beautiful. The interior is done so well as well on that car. The Aventador that was there, the orange one, is Sir Mix-a-Lot's. One of Pablo Escobar's old Ferrari Daytonas were there. There was like 4 or 5 GT2 Porsches right there. I mean, the list goes on and on. There were a lot of really cool cars out there. This is my first time really going in public and filming, and just on my phone or stuff like that. If you guys want to see me up my quality and, you know, get a little bit, try and do more stable filming, let me know. I'm just on my phone and it's kind of loud there, you know, walking around and stuff. There was a bunch of people, so it wasn't very personable, but a lot of really crazy cars there. So let me know what you guys want to see next time in the comments down below. So that was a car show. Pretty crazy, right? A lot of really cool cars. Not all like super awesome, like super high-end hypercars or anything, but with the Carrera GT and the 1-of-1 spec, the Carbon Ford GT, the LaFerrari, the F40, the list goes on and on and on. There were a lot of really cool cars, and the one thing that I really liked is that this is one of the first car shows back, like post-COVID, not even post-COVID, but like getting on the right side of COVID. So it's really cool to see a lot of people with, I'm almost going to say pent-up anger and stuff from not going to car shows for a while to come back and really do it. Now, there was on record, they said about 540 cars, which wasn't their biggest show ever, but it was up there. It was definitely a big showing. They're expecting a lot more, bigger turnouts as the time goes on. Yes, opening weekend generally is pretty good, but it's going to get bigger and bigger and bigger throughout the year. So if you guys are interested in me filming some more videos for you guys on Redmond Town Center Exotics, it's a weekly event that I'm going to try and get to most weekends. Not all weekends will I be able to make it, but most weekends I'm going to try and get there. And so let me know in the comments down below if you want me to film more and more cars, a different variety that keeps showing up. Just let me know down there. And guys, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, because I really appreciate all the love and support you guys be giving me. And just like that, guys, I'll see you in the next one.